Did you know you can cover your Chevrolet vehicle with a Mopar warranty? Mopar is backed by Stellantis FCA. This is one of the largest automotive conglomerates in the world. Who better to back the extended warranty on your Chevrolet brand vehicle? With an FCA factory-backed Mopar warranty on your Chevrolet vehicle, you gain peace of mind. A Mopar warranty on your Chevrolet will allow you to avoid large out-of-pocket expenses due to mechanical failures. Today's vehicles are more advanced than ever. This adds a lot of cost to mechanical repairs. This is where your Chevrolet extended warranty will come in and pick up the bill. With a Mopar extended warranty on your Chevrolet, you can and should use only Chevrolet certified mechanics. Mopar Warranties has a simple-to-use claim process that most Chevrolet dealers are accustomed to using. Mopar dealers have used Mopar Warranties on Chevrolet vehicles for nearly 4 decades. This should assure you your Mopar warranty will be honored at the Chevrolet dealership of your choice. Our extended warranties provide 24-hour-a-day roadside assistance anywhere in the United States and Canada by calling the direct line number provided in your contract. Available services include flat tire change, towing, battery jump, locksmith key service, out-of-gas fuel delivery. You can shop for your warranty one of 2 ways. You can visit ChryslerFactoryWarranty.com and review prices and options for yourself. Or call one of our Chevrolet Extended Warranty specialists and let them help find the right warranty for you and your Chevrolet. Visit www.ChryslerFactoryWarranty.com or call 855-730-1290.